In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io to find emails. To get started, head over to Apollo.io and either log into your account or create a free one if you're new to the platform. The free plan is a good starting point because it gives you limited email credits, which lets you test the workflow before committing to anything more advanced. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the People section. This is the main area where you can search for prospects, leads, and decision makers. If your goal is to find business email addresses, this is where most of the work happens. Next, enter your search criteria. You can search using details like a person's name, company, job title, industry, or location. This is helpful because you don't always need to know the exact person you're looking for. In many cases, you can start with a company and role, then let Apollo surface relevant contacts for you. After that, refine your search with advanced filters. You can narrow results by job title, company size, industry, location, and seniority level. This step is especially useful if you want more targeted leads instead of a broad list. The more specific your filters are, the easier it becomes to find contacts that match your ideal customer profile. Once your results load, review the list carefully, browse through the contacts Apollo returns, and open individual profiles to see more information about each person and their company. Taking a moment here helps you avoid collecting irrelevant leads and improves the quality of your outreach later. When you find a promising contact, click into the profile to reveal the business email address, if one is available. Apollo uses verification processes to provide verified email addresses whenever possible, which can save you time compared to manual prospecting. Be sure to check the verification status as well. Look for contacts marked as verified since those addresses typically have better deliverability and lower bounce rates. That's an important detail if you want your outreach campaigns to perform well. As you identify strong prospects, save them to a list. Organizing contacts by campaign, niche, or industry makes follow-up much easier and keeps your lead generation process clean and manageable. If your Apollo plan includes it, you can then export contacts to a CSV file or sync them directly to your CRM. That makes it simple to move from prospecting into your sales workflow. Optionally, you can also install the Apollo Chrome extension. This lets you find emails while browsing LinkedIn or company websites, which can speed up your research process. Before launching outreach, it's still smart to verify important contacts again, especially for larger campaigns. Even when a platform marks emails as verified, a second check can help reduce bounce rates. Finally, import your contacts into your email platform, personalize your messages, and start your outreach campaign.